Hello guys, I'm back with Renault Megane. Outside is quite a bit rainy as you see, but today I will show you how to remove your rear door back panel for your car. Well, I got some accident, so I need to get under there to push out a little bit metal, but probably I will just find new doors. Anyway, so what you need to do there, it's not rather hard thing to do. So first you can just take out like this little plastic piece, should come easy out. Same in this place. Use some sharp tool or whatever else and just pop this out. When you put it back, well, probably you have to also put this inside. And as you see, here is torque bolt, here is torque bolt, and that one torque bolt is under here. Okay, it's not torque bolt, regular. I think it's 10mm, something like that. Anyway, let's dig in and let's start with this one. Just take this one, small little plastic piece, put somewhere safe. When you put it somewhere safe, well, you need torque 20, as you see, T20. Just put this in and unfold this one. Okay, when this is kind of out, put this somewhere. Yeah, it's kind of out. I will slide this under here. Okay, just from one side, from this one. And we'll just remove this. Here is the bolt, don't lose it. You better take it out, split somewhere safe too. So just disconnect this one. So you just have to press this one in here. And on the other side maybe too. Anyway. Okay, when this is out, just put it also somewhere safe. Let's go here. It looks like this is bigger. So this is torque 30. T30 as you see. And just start from this side this time and then slide this out. So you don't want to lose the bolt, so just take this out and put somewhere safe. When these two open, you can go here and just pull this one upwards, rather same as you did with the front panel if you've seen my video. Hear the sound, it's kinda good. There's something unpopped here. Yep, up there too, unpopped. Just go. Looks like one will go here. Yeah, that's also open. Next probably somewhere here. So the final here. I don't want to open. Dirty under there. Probably somewhere here. I can hear a little bit too. So, and when you're done with all these bolts here, plastic pieces here, here, and here, you can go from top. And here it's just like more or less you have to slide this off. Put an screwdriver or some tool which is kind of good for everything. You see this just sliding off here. Also use here. Just sliding off. Two. To the side if you want. Rest of the holding in place. Just this place left. You can also use your fingers to get away this last piece. And last piece goes off like this somewhere here. And you can see this is on such a kind of holding here. And just rotate this out, and yeah, you can also put away this part. No wonder this hanging here. Just slide this one like that. More or less, this is how it looks. Remove the panel. This is the panel itself. It is not the best way how to do it because I use a metal tool, but you can use plastic tool, so you don't bend these things. But then there's one bolt here, one bolt here, one bolt under there. So these are torque 15 or something like that. Yep. Let's remove. This one put somewhere safe. And with this bolt. So when you remove this bolt here, and here is one clip, here is the other clip, and this all the plastic body kinda hanging from top to above, so you're gonna got the feeling that you have to push it from below to upwards to kinda unhook those hooks. So kinda will start to go with below there, and we'll see what happens. Is it good? Okay, this also went up. And this is... Probably you will see or not, but there is middle some sort of this big plastic piece. Not sure what it is. What it's meant to kind of hold in place everything. It's on the IR here, so we just have to pull it outwards and it will just come out in the middle. I kind of wiggle it and it kind of disconnected in the middle, but now I have to disconnect this connector, and I think the easiest way how to do it, take screwdriver, and by holding with one hand this upwards you will now really easy see where you need to go and get. Just so how I did it, I just put a screwdriver here, put it under there, and then just wiggle a little bit this out, and this just came out. I had to use two hands, so disconnect this one, put some with your doors, and I think you will have still under there little lamp there connected. There's a place where everything is connected together. One quick tip, I didn't know this is actually rather easy stuff. So you can disconnect wirings from here. As you see, this is just connected like that. You can pull this upwards, so you have a lot of space here. So now it's rather easier to see what's going on here, and then you can actually remove this one without that big trouble anymore. Okay, finally got this open. That's good. Now I can put, if you want to remove the next panel things to remove here. Well, remember this was in the middle while I was holding this in place. And it went out now. There was some more wiring going on here. It goes out like this. It's possible to remove. Same with this part. This is actually like welded there with plastic, so you cannot take this out, but you can just slide out wiring you really want from this plastic molding, and then you can actually disconnect all the panel here if it's necessary. So as you see, this is how to remove the panel. Quite a lot of stuff to do here, not that super easy, so I just got everything wet here. That's not good. Before you connect everything back together, make sure this doesn't go like that, but goes through this hole, otherwise you will have to do everything again, as I just have to remove all the bolts and everything because I forgot to put this in correct place. Should go upper there.